Good evening everyone, good evening classmate. This is my research for WE, ENL, ESL, and of course EFL. W stands for World Englishes. Refers to the global diversity of English varieties spoken around the world. Next is ENL. ENL stands for English as a native language. This English spoken as a first language typically in countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Moving on in ESL. Stands for English as a second language. This is for learning to speak a different native language but are learning English to communicate in an English speaking environment. EFL, and this is the last. EFL stand for English as a foreign language. This is for learners who are learning English is in a non-English speaking country, just like us in Asia. Philippines, China, Thailand, different country na using English, they using for communicate for the other country, they using it for express their feelings or anything. That's all my research, and thank you. Good evening.